Over here you have to put them warm. You have to put warm today. Good morning, guys. What are you doing? Everyone is helter-skelter. Today to bring dogs and cats. It's cats and dogs. Sometimes we might fail in English. Yeah, this is my... Since 2 a.m. up now. So they are fetching water, guys. As you see over here, this is my sister. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It usually depends on the place you're watching me from. This is Cloud Joseph. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Amazing blessings. Amazing blessings. That is also on a Sunday. So this is today, guys. I want to share with you an amazing, authentic village life over here. I want to prepare an amazing, healthy breakfast for my family over here in Kenya or in the village. As you see, it's drizzling right now. It has been raining cats and dogs. Is it good English or am I phrasing it in a good way? But anyway, guys, it's kind of drizzling, so I want to take the umbrella and I want to try to lit a jiko and share with you what's going on around. Even our animals haven't yet gone out. Here, having here our best. Come on, Mama just trying also to prepare also on the breakfast. Go to work. So over here, amazing. A typical morning routine in an African village. So let me try and see what's going on. Hi, how are you? You good? You good? No, relax. Yeah, so just trying to have my umbrella here. And this umbrella is very funny. Sometimes when you push it like this, it lit. It shows you something like that. It can be able to use like this while using it at night. So this is our beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And we thank God that it's raining right now. And it's amazing and very beautifully. As you can see, crops will now grow. And all of our spring things like sukuma wiki, kales, cabbages, watermelons, everything will be very nice and it will be really growing up well. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and please subscribe, like, share, and leave a very nice sweet comment about this. We are going to prepare peanuts. Over here we call them groundnuts. In Swahili we call them karanga. Let me know in the comment section how do you call them actually according to where you come from. These are the energy giving food, and on the other end there are proteins, the other end there are vitamins, more so vitamin B, C, and they can give out what we call like strengthening of the bones, and also they can prevent what we call like high blood sugar, So today I want to just prepare it at this point because it's very cool. And I will prepare it with black tea, so I'll be very much happy to know how do you prepare them at your place. And let's dip into it and we'll see how everything is on this side, that and on this side. I'm on my gumboots because it's raining, man, and it will be a muddy village, and we'll see how it should go. I have a small umbrella here. And it looks nice. Hey, good morning, guys, from the Himalayas range. From the Himalayas range. Our day today is going to start with this video. With my wife, my lovely wife here, Howie. And of course today it's an hour that we are here, and we are very much grateful for this season. Actually this is now December. December used to be like this. Starting from November, late November.
It used to rain a lot.
It used to rain a lot. I don't know, some of the people actually haven't even gone to church today because of the rain. It
has rained from around 1 a.m.
1 a.m. up to now, it's still raining.
I'm so happy about it, but also, okay, I'm happy.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
The Cooking Village, guys. Kindly go check me out. I do cooking videos. And today, my hubby here is going to be helping me on not helping me. He's going to be cooking breakfast for us. Something special he said. So stay tuned and watch out what he is going to cook, and I'll be helping him, supporting him to do the cooking.
I know you have never seen this, guys. You always maybe buy these things in the streets, and you're like, how are they cooked? So today, I want to show you my pro in cooking that. So let me know in the comment section also if you'll do this. And yeah, let me try. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Always. Yeah.
All right. Nice. Muy bien. Okay. So let me try go look for a jiko, because around here things are really crazy. I want to go look for a jiko.
So today it's raining on you.
It's raining on me. And we can just sing like how does this guy sing? PEACEFULL. I know my heart alright, oh my, let it rain over me. Ay, let it rain over me. Oh, something like that. Oh, our jiko down here.
Oh, amen. It was not rained on. That's a close shave. Wow. Yeah, there's fire in the kitchen. Okay. So you can put charcoal, then add fire. Right. Then add, some. Guys, this is a new kitchen that this man here made for mom.
Alright guys, let's try see what's going on. Let me bring charcoal and we'll be preparing the hot charcoal.
Okay. So this is our new kitchen, guys. This kitchen here was made by yours truly, Cloud Joseph, for mama. Initially, if you remember, we used to have like a mud kitchen. So he decided to fix this kitchen and put like it's a wooden kitchen with iron sheets, and also put some space here so that there's a lot, the smoke doesn't kill mom in the house. So it's more like an open kitchen. Yeah, because when you're in there, you don't feel hot, you don't feel like there's a lot of smoke inside. So, and then it doesn't rain. The other one was very dusty, so at least this is better until that time when he'll be able to fix like a better kitchen for mom, you know. Yeah, so that's a store where you can see the dog there. That's a store. Yeah, so we put charcoal, firewood, and whatever it is in there. Yeah. I don't want my hair to be rained on today, so I'm using the umbrella.
I have my right.
Mom is busting firewood here today. Everyone is busy.
Hello.
Mvua inanyesha. Yes, we can see you. Guys, that's how we light our jikos, with charcoal. Mom is also doing her thing. She's making breakfast. So yeah.
Slowly.
Are you feeling cold?
What question are you asking?
Because I see you freezing. It's like you're feeling cold and you've been warm.
Just liquid.
Okay.
Because the hot charcoals are not yet ready, so I have to improvise by putting this. What do you want? You want me to stick?
I like that fire. It's coming out nicely.
What?
The fire is coming out nicely.
You know those days back when it used to rain like this? We used to have a lot of maize down there. Or corn. You could have put around here corn. No, get out, man. Get out. Those should be there. Oh, there they are.
They can see it. It very beautifully.
So I'm eating this. Slowly. Kama nguo matangazo.
Nije kichomeka na moto.
So, we are trying our best place. Put this around here. Let's see how we are doing it in the fall. In the fall, which means slowly. Yeah.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah. You know, sometimes we could have used maybe the gas, but right now it's not gas. Leave it in the comment section. Like, the gas is not really useful for now, because we really also need to do what we call like radiation. Which process is this? Well, this window. I sat on water.
You sat on water?
Is it called radiation or what is it called?
I can't tell. Don't follow. Okay, let me remove this for you.
I think it's called radiation. Hopefully. For those who did science at school.
Guys, our dog literally follows us everywhere. You can't go anywhere without it. It just follows you. So please, it's not time. Kindly. We are busy right now.
Also, let's prepare tea. So we are having here milk. This is how we are milking our cow. So this is our cow we are milking. Literally, those days back we used to have. I used to love milk by the name Tuzo. I don't know if nowadays it's there.
Yeah, it is there.
Tuzo?
Yes. It's in the supermarkets.
The supermarket.
Yeah.
Nowadays we have different brands of
milk.
But Tuzo used to be the best. Tuzo is so premium. Just I'm preparing tea. It's called milk tea. A lot. Nice. This will be served with peanuts or groundnuts. Have you ever tried to drink milk tea and peanuts?
Oh yes, I have before, but not once made by you.
So today, I'm trying to cook this to a 3-stove jiko, and I'll be frying the groundnuts, actually all the peanuts, on the jiko.
Our stove, our charcoal stove.
So it's already ready. Let's see how it's going now.
Guys.
Yeah. Nowadays this is it's a 4-legged chair. We used to have a
3-legged one.
Yeah, 3-legged. And this one was cut. This one was cut those days from our tree that was around here.
Oh,
Yeah.
who made it?
There's a certain guy who makes this.
Oh.
One more, my God. Anu, go bring We added tea leaves. There are those who don't love tea leaves, so let me go for yeah, so guys, we are here and I want to just pluck some tea leaves, and it will be very nice. Tea leaves. We call them lemon grass. These ones, they are literally called lemon grass. So we have some lemon grass here. This one. It could be a very healthy tea. This one, called them lemon grass. They are the best lemon grass ever. These ones. So it's literally raining, so I have to have the lemongrass, and it will be all fantastic on a rainy day. Just struggling ups and downs for this, and let's see. No, these are called lemongrass. They're also supposed to make what we call like green tea. One day I'll prepare for you green tea when you come home. So you dip it inside of that, and also we have some ingredients for tea. We want to prepare you a tea that if you drink it in a family, you one of it's like a Swahili tea. If you've ever tried Swahili tea, what is it, Joe?
Swahili Kenyan tea.
Is this cinnamon?
Let's see. Yeah, that's cinnamon.
Yeah, so I want just also to add cinnamon in. I have ginger here. This is ginger. And then, yeah, just like that. It should be very nice and clean.
Those are more spices, guys.
Yeah, more spices for this. Basically for the tea. We have here cloves. These are called cloves.
Cloves, eh?
Yeah, in Swahili we call them karafu. So karafu, you should put them a little bit of karafu. A little bit of karafu. Just like that. And then wait for this now.
Wow.
Amazing. I want to prepare, I'm multitasking, guys. Multitasking, so here we'll be preparing some peanuts, and over here we're preparing tea. And you always need to be very attentive and very careful about watching this milk tea. It's crazy. You know, the milk tea sometimes can wake up on its own. So the reason why I'm using these spices on the tea is that mostly cloves are one of the best what we call like ingredients or spices, all the way from sage in Zanzibar, which was one of the best what we call like spices that was brought by sage, something like that. And it's one of the clove. It's one of the spices that really, it's really helpful also in the human body. They strengthen the enamel, and also has an aroma that really makes you feel like you really want to drink it. You know, it's not only made only for as a tea spice, but it's always also used in preparing pilau. Help me there. So guys, that's how you see the tea is boiling. So we have here our peanuts. These are what we call like peanuts. I want them to dry up well, and then this will be made without no oil, no ingredients. because peanuts are one of we can call them proteins. They have also vitamin B, C. They are very they play a very vital, what we call like a very vital role in the body. Number one is that they make what we call like they do sugar balancing in the body. On the other hand, they strengthen the bones. You know? They play a very vital role in the body. Like this one for the people who are diabetic, they can really use this in a regulated amount, not like much, but in a regulated amount. You know? Yeah. So you have to make sure that every donut here, they're not really what we call like they're not going to dry up so much. So you have to make sure you crush them. Just like that, slowly, with a regulated heat. You know? As it's raining, the sounds of the iron sheets, it's crazy.
We had to add, we have a lot of guests, guys, so we had to add more tea. So yeah, it looks nice.
You have salt here? Let me salt. You have to add another salt inside. A little bit. Just a sprinkle of a pinch of salt. Slowly. Because they are oil on its own, you don't need to add oil. So these ones are almost ready until they are, you see, at least they have changed their color. So just like that, we'll be trying to help also show you how it's going on. Okay. This is you remove some, you regulate the fire. If you want to do so, your tea will go down. Use what you call like sugar. Yes, you add a little. Alafu tupate tuweke, alafu tubakishe kama dagi mbili tuongeza maji. Kidogo. You're trying to sieve. So we are sieving the tea now.
Yeah.
Trying to sieve tea. This is a 10 liter tea. So we have a lot of family.
Tea thermos. Yeah. Tea flask.
Yes. Just like this, will be served with the mandazis and the groundnut peanuts. So whoever wants maybe mandazi will eat mandazi. Whoever wants peanuts
We'll eat
that's what it
peanuts.
sounds. Let me show you how it's being done. You just do like this. You can push out or you can pinch in. Just like that. Then show. Pause. So guys, I want to serve tea in the morning. Doesn't have sugar, we add sugar. About 2 cups. Right. Best. Alright. Now, we have what you call like peanuts. Have to put it here. You know the bucket. Cut. So, where's my tea? Tea. So it's a chilly morning. Chilly morning, guys. As you see, we are serving breakfast, and we are serving with peanuts. Here we call them groundnuts. In Swahili, karanga. Yeah.
They're sweet.
Very sweet, right? Yeah. What about the tea? Nasikia karafuna. Anyway, enough time. Alright guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. And behind the camera, I'll show you somebody. Maybe you wanna try. Go try. Try this. And some peanuts.
It has no sugar.
Because I don't love sugar. You don't love sugar, you can add.
I think you can do it with the breakfast one.
And from behind, you will see how everybody is enjoying tea or breakfast.
Oh,
Everybody's putting on warm.
because it's raining. Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I really appreciate the love and support, and may Almighty God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
And bye.
Bye.
See you next video.